Alright, are you ready for this, Marco?
Yeah.
Let's go. Hope they're ready.
Make it white bread, please. Thank you very much, sir. That'll be a Subway melt, please. Yeah. Now I love my Subway melt, yeah. Before you even ask, I'm gonna go ahead and tell you. Save me some time, sir. Can I have some American cheese? Cause it's so patriotic, yeah. Thank you very much. Oh yes. Love it when my sandwich toasted, when it's all crispy and the cheese is melted, yeah. Thank you, sir. Sandwich is toasted and I'm just waiting on the clock, waiting for that beef, so my sandwich is ready to eat, yeah. I'm so excited and I just can't wait to bite into that sandwich, yeah. David, sir.
It's been pretty good, bro. How about you?
That's amazing. Mine's been pretty okay. Just been stressing over this project.
Sounds like it's going good, though, man.
Thank you. There's a beef and I'm ready to eat. Now for the last step, here we go. Now we're talking about some vegetables.
Let's go.
Now we're talking about some vegetables. Alright, here we go. Let's start off with some lettuce. But what's some lettuce without some good old-fashioned tomatoes? Now here comes the most very important part, so listen up. Give me some ranch. Give me some ranch. Perfect. You see, ranch is the most very important part of a sandwich, because it keeps it together, yeah. See, what's a sandwich without ranch? It's more like a human walking around with no soul, you see. That'll be all, thank you very